Hi, my name is Jakubowski, and I have almost 40 years of fire service experience, serving in every role from firefighter to chief. I also work as a fire protection engineer, working extensively with laboratories and lab facilities to make sure that they've been built properly and operate properly, minimizing fire hazards. I participate in the NFPA 45 Committee on Fire Protection for Laboratories Using Chemicals and write the tactics column for Fire Rescue magazine, and have done so since about 1989. I'll be presenting a classroom session at FDIC 2017 on handling fires in laboratory facilities, and I hope to see you there. Laboratory fires and spills can present significant challenges to firefighters. There's a wide variety of different types of labs, everything from research facilities that may be working on cutting, if not bleeding edge, technology, to quality laboratories that are responsible for validating processes that are going on, or with work going on in a factory, to scale-up laboratories that may take a research process and try and scale it up to manufacturing scale operations, which can have some particularly dangerous hazards associated with that scale-up work. I worked also with laboratories, many laboratories that do drug discovery work. In that particular area, they may be working on a process for over 3 years or more for a product that could be $1 billion a year product or more. In that case, during that research portion of their drug discovery work, none of that type of work is insured. So if they lose a product before it goes to market, they could potentially have billions of dollars of business interruption. That's a pretty significant thing for companies to be concerned about, and certainly should be something that firefighters are concerned about, along with their safety and the safety of lab occupants. There's a lot of different hazards that can be present in laboratories, depending on what the work is. It could be chemical, it could be biological, it could be radioactive, as well as others. It's important for you to understand what the labs in your area do, what are the hazards associated with those laboratories, and what systems and equipment that they have that you may be able to use to safely handle fires in those occupancies. You also need to understand the pitfalls that could be present there that could cause major safety impacts or major operational impacts if the wrong thing is done during a response at those facilities. I hope to see you this coming April in Indianapolis to give you some tips and strategies for planning for and responding to laboratory fires that you can take back to your department to help you to better prepare and better respond to emergencies, and in particular fires in laboratories in your first due. Thank you.